Peace, love, and life, family. It's Essie the Homesteader bringing you guys an update on my chickens. Well, they're not little yellow furry balls anymore, as y'all can see. Okay, family, so we had to up our game as far as their feed. So we are no longer using the little red trays with the little holes. They are over there. Um, so they are what? Let's see. Today is today the 20th yet? Well, anyway, they were born on the 17th, so they're going into their 5th week. They got about I would say 2 to 3 weeks to go before they will be in the freezer. I had my timing wrong, but Cornish cross chickens are usually ready between 7 to 9 weeks. That's what's recommended. As you can see, they are a nice size right now. They are growing really, really fast. And my dog over here, y'all see Mink, he is under the deck having a fit. And he actually got into the pen twice already. He scratched his way in the pen twice. And he didn't bother them. He was curious about them. He sat right in the middle of the pen, and they all just ran circles around him, and he just was, pulling at them. I guess that was his way of playing, but he never harmed them. So again, they're doing well, eating a lot. We did have 2 casualties, which I believe they ate themselves to death because we brought them in the house one night and my son gave them more food in the house. And I did explain to them that when they come in after being out all day eating, they don't need to eat. But I guess he just figured, well, let me put some food in the broiler. But that's what happened. They ate themselves to death. And when I did some research, they said your Cornish cross should be 12 hours on feed and 12 hours off feed. So if you guys are thinking about getting chickens, Cornish cross, keep that in mind. 10 hours on feed, 12 hours on, 12 hours off. So most of the time they are out here to at least 12 hours, at least 12 to 13 hours. We try to get them out like 7 in the morning, bring them in about 9 o'clock at night. But we thinking that this is probably going to be their last week as far as bringing them in. We have 2 broilers that we keep them inside, and they be very content. The weather hasn't been consistent as far as warmth at night, so that's why we've been bringing them inside. We want to put a heater out here just in case, but we're a little bit skeptical about putting the heater in here with this wood and stuff. So we like, nah, we'll just use a tarp and seal them in real good. And according to some of the research, I'm sorry about my dog. According to some of the family, I'm sorry about that. I had some technical difficulties. I'm not sure if you guys heard everything that I said about the Cornish cross. I said we had 2 casualties because 2 of them ate themselves to death. My son brought them in the house, and they were eating throughout the night. And when I did some research, they did say that they can eat themselves to death. So, if you plan on getting any Cornish cross, make sure you have 12 hours on feed and 12 hours off feed. They are growing really, really fast. I think I said that in the other video. They should be ready for processing probably in another 2 to 3 weeks. The weather hasn't been consistent at night as far as warmth. They've been getting cold down to probably like 40 degrees. But we said this is probably going to be their last week of bringing them inside. And according to some more research that I have done, another homesteader said that they do not need heat in a coop. And they live in the Blue Ridge Mountains. And they said all you got to do is make sure you seal up really good with tarp, especially if there's cold winds coming through. He said, but for the most part, the chickens do not need a heater in their coops. So I think this will be their last week of coming inside. But as you can see, they've grown very, very fast. And I got that part in the video, the first video, about my dog getting inside the coop. He's clawed his way twice in there, but he hasn't harmed them. He just, I guess he wants to play with them. But it was so funny to see how he was just sitting in the middle of the coop. And they was just looking at him, and some of them was running around in circles. It was funny to see. But overall, they're doing well. So this is Essie Homestead. I'll see you guys on the next video. Hope everybody's doing well and being safe. I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.